westbound, Woodshire Place back towards destination. 3712, you got the call. All units on South Holnier at this time. I'm waiting for any additional units. He's walking back out towards Stauffer. 8023, blocking off Stauffer. Stop right there! Stop right there! Stop right there! Shots fired, shots fired. Stay down! Stay there! Stay there! Shots fired, shots fired. Stay there! 38, keep it here. Stay down! Still on there. Shots fired. Shots fired. Copy, shots fired.
Man, it's just a pump, dumbass! I'm a diabetic!
What is it?
Lay down on the ground!
Diabetic, motherfucker!
That's okay. Just stay on your knees. Get on your knees.
Get on your knees.
Get on your knees.
No, I'm not getting on my dumb knees. Somebody go less peaceful.
Get on your knees.
You know what? You want me to take me? I don't care.
Get on the ground.
No!
Get on the ground.
I'm already leaking.
Get on the ground.
I'm already leaking.
Get on the
Go
ground.
ahead and take me. You take me. Go ahead. I don't care. I'm not going on the ground.
All right, buddy.
Not going on the ground.
Didn't you?
1914. 50, Kalamazoo Station.
No, get your arm off me. Get your arm off me. Get your arm off me. If I fall, get your arm off me. Can y'all let me go? Let me go. Let me go. I don't care right now. Let me go. Tell this motherfucker let me go. I'm going towards my mom. Tell him let me no. Tell him let me go. Tell him let me go.
Okay.
Tell this motherfucker let me go.
That's fine.
I'm about to hurt him. Tell him let me go. Don't touch me. No, don't touch me. No. I'm already hurting.
Sir.
I'm already fucking hurting.
Sir, I know.
This nigga needs to let me go. Let me go.
All right. Can we sit down, man?
No.
We need to sit down.
Would you let your arm go? Let my arm go.
All right.
Let my arm. No, get away from me.
All right. Why were you?
I'm not
Why'd
happy
you
with
have the gun?
I'm not happy with you.
Why'd
Get
you
away
have the
from
gun?
me. Get away from me.
Come on, let's go over here.
You got 2 seconds. Get away from me.
Let's go over here, man.
Get away from me. Get the fuck away from me right now.
Okay. How about this officer? You come with me.
I'll
Okay?
go with you, but you better let him
It's fine.
let me
Why don't you come
go.
on over here? You got it?
Let me go.
Come on over here, okay? Sir.
I'm already fucking hurting.
Sir, I know.
This nigga needs to let me go. Let me go. Let me go.
Can we sit down, man?
No.
We need to sit down, man.
Let your arm go. Let my arm go.
All right, sit down, man.
No, get away from me.
Why were you? Why'd you have the gun?
I'm not happy with you.
Why'd you have the gun? Hey,
Get away from me.
come on, let's go over here.
You got 2 seconds. Get away from me.
Let's go over here, man.
Get away from me. Get the fuck away from me right now.
Okay, how about this officer? You come with me.
I'll
okay?
go with you, but you better let him
It's
not
fine.
let me
Why don't you come
go.
on over here? You got it?
Let me go.
Come on over here, okay? Let's go over here, my man, all right? We're just gonna come over. We're just gonna sit down over here.
I'm
We're
not
just
sitting down. I can't sit down.
Is it gonna hurt to sit down?
Yes.
Okay, I don't want you to sit down. I want you to be comfortable, okay? Where are you hurting? Probably right on your hip there?
Yes.
Okay. Anywhere else?
No.
You hit
I'm
anywhere
leaking,
else?
And I feel my numbers going down. I'm about to pass
Well,
out.
I'd rather you sit down than for
I
me.
can't sit down.
Does it hurt too much? Is that why? Just tell me why, okay? I'm here to help you. Does it hurt too much? Answer for me. Answer for me.
30, go ahead.
Can you sit down for me, sir?
38, just verifying the one patient.
What did I just say?
Can you please?
What did I fucking just
I know,
say?
it's just sir, but I don't want you to pass
No.
out.
One
I don't
patient.
I'm
want you to
gonna
pass
sit down
out.
if I'm hurting.
I don't want you to pass out on me, all right?
We'll just lay down.
How can I if I have fucking handcuffs on?
I'll help you. Just sit down.
I can't.
Sit down. We'll help you. Come on. Come on, baby.
No, I
Will you
can't.
do it to your mouth, please?
If you take
He's
the handcuffs
autistic.
off.
I can't
He
take
can't.
handcuffs off.
He's autistic
I can let you
right
sit
now.
on the rock over
I
here.
can't.
Just tell it.
I can't.
We don't want you to
Sit
pass
around.
out,
Get in
man.
my fucking
I don't
head.
want you to sit. I don't want you to pass out, man. Will you please sit down
Look
for
at
me?
it.
Look at what? I will if you sit down. I'll
Sit
take a
down.
look.
You're shaking. Sit
Yes.
down. He's type 1
I
diabetic.
can't.
I know,
I'm
ma'am.
trying to tell y'all I can't.
We're trying to help you get medical started.
Sit down. Sit down, baby.
Yep, I got it.
Sit down.
It's right there. I can't sit down though. My hips all locked up.
Copy.
He feels contained. Yes.
Are you gonna be okay standing?
I can't.
No. Well, sit down.
Let's
I
sit
can't.
down. Let's
You
sit down.
lean on the hood of the car? I can't.
Let's sit down,
I
alright,
can't
partner?
walk anymore.
Here.
Let's sit down, partner.
Over here.
Let's just sit down then.
Now you got your grandma's hand.
Here. Let's lay down now,
I
okay?
can't.
Just do it on your
Guys,
knees.
I
Will you do it on your knees, sir?
I can't. Everything's
Okay.
locked up right now.
Okay, alright. If you're comfortable like this,
3713,
we'll
we're
hold you like this, okay? Is that alright? Is that alright?
No.
Let's just find out where medical's at.
Can we
Give me
please
ETA.
get these handcuffs
Priority.
on?
They can't do this.
3616. Do we have ET on medical?
Can't lose them right now, partner.
Have Algie. Have
Just
Algie.
look at medical. There you go. There you go. There you go.
We're good.
There you go. There you go.
Supervisor requesting emergency.
Tyler,
You're good, man. Hey, stay alert.
how you feeling?
Calling 911.
I I know. Can you just stay?
Tyler.
Can you just stay up and just talk with us?
Don't, honey.
I can't. Leave me alone.
Just monitor him.
Kentwood unit's life is 6 minutes out,
Alright.
50
You
seconds.
two monitor him and yourself.
6 minutes.
Pat him down. Make sure there's any other weapons on him, okay?
He does.
Make sure he's good. Why we need to make sure, okay,
Yep.
ma'am? Are you okay there, ma'am?
Hello.
I can't.
Alright.
Down.
You got him?
I'm trying to take a video.